Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos, because I hope y'all gonna see me. So today's vlog, I will be doing a kitchen organization, a little mini one, and if this is something you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So now I'm just doing a little bit of unboxing. This is the Tupperware set that I'm about to unbox. It has 26 pieces. And at this point, I'm just taking them out of the box so I can just look at it and see what it looks like, make sure everything is in there. And so this next box I'm about to unbox is just a container set. Y'all, I've been wanting these type of containers for a long time. Okay, y'all, so I have already unboxed the containers. Y'all, I am so shook right now. Like, they are so cute. I like how they look. It's very simple, minimalistic. You can't beat this for $30 because these containers are very expensive. And I really want to go back and get me another box. This was $30. This was on sale at Walmart for Black Friday. But they had some extra ones left that people didn't buy on Black Friday. And I decided to pick me one up. And y'all, I want to go back and get me another box because you can't beat all this for $30. And they big, they're good quality. So I had to mute this part here due to music playing in my background. But I was just saying that I had low-key want to go back and get me another box and said that they may be gone when I go back. And I also said that the other box that I got from Walmart for Black Friday too. That was $7. And I'm just getting ready to wash those containers out. And I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put in these, and you know, of course the other ones are just like, you know, for other things that I can use it for. But I needed some more Tupperware because my other ones are stained. Yeah, it's these certain type of labels that I want to order off of Amazon, so I will be ordering them and I'll let y'all know when I get those. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash these out and figure out what I'm going to put in them. I'm just going to do like a little organization, just this part here. I'm not really like doing a big organization video on my kitchen. I'm just trying to get some things out the way and, you know, straighten up my kitchen. Long. Oh, they came with labels. Okay. And they came with like a little scooper. Okay, so I might use these for the time being, but I don't know, because I don't know like how easy they come off for when I want to get the actual labels that I want. But okay, that's cool. They should come with labels. How expensive these things are. But yeah, it ain't like loose. I like that. Okay. See, like y'all, stuff like this I be so excited for. I love to organize. I love to get nice organization items. But okay. As I'm sitting here editing this video, this is so relaxing to watch. Like, I love watching videos and stuff like this, like cleaning, decor, organization. I'll be here for it. Like, I love watching stuff like this. And to be honest, y'all, this video that I'm editing now, this wasn't the video that I initially supposed to be recording today. But when I was doing little clips of this little part, I was like, I might as well just make this one video, because I had another video that I was going to add with this video, but it wasn't going to be all, well, not all, but like very detailed as how I made it to be. But it worked out, so it's just extra videos for the rest of this month for me. And child, these right here, these Rice Krispies right here, y'all, these taste better than the original ones to me. Y'all. I be killing these things. I be going through boxes like within a couple days. Like, it's sad. I shouldn't be eating all these Rice Krispies like that, but I just love Rice Krispies anyway. I also want to mention, I know y'all probably thinking like, well, girl, where's your daughter's snacks? My girl, she don't eat what I eat. She don't even eat like cookies, candy, none of that. She just eat her hot fries, Doritos, which I have those for her. Like, she don't eat none of this type of stuff. Like, she's a real picky eater, and she has her sensory issues, you know, due to her autism and along with other things. Have y'all tried these bars? They taste like Rice Krispie treats, but just Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, y'all, so I have all of the containers filled. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all of what's in there. Probably I will keep the cereal and the oats and stuff in there, but other stuff probably will change, you know, due to what I buy frequently. But in this big one, I just have some cereal. In this one, I love these home style Rice Krispie treats. I have my Golden Graham bars in there. I have some cereal in there. I have my K-Cups in there. I have some oats, hot chocolate, and I got some more little bars. And I just have these mini Oreos covered in white chocolate. I do have one more container left, and it's just, you know, the real tall one. I don't have any noodles on hand. Have to go out and get some, but like I said, this stuff may change. I just organized it for what I have now. So now I'm just going to put these in my cabinet. I don't have no pantry, so that's that. And I'm going to eventually get more organization stuff. This is just something small and slight I wanted to do, and I really love how it looked. I don't know if I'm going to put the labels up there because, like I said, I don't know if a lot of this stuff is going to stay in these certain containers. So I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is for right now. But I really love how it turned out. It looks really nice. It's cute. But yeah, this is how I got the containers. Like I said, y'all, I don't have much space, and I tried to stack those, but it was too short. So yeah, it's just like that back there, but it looks good. So I have to figure out about how I'm gonna do this, but it won't be in this video. I just wanted to show y'all what the containers look like in the cabinet.